Hi, I'm Lindsay with Khali Yoga Center.
I'm Chris, what's up?
And we're going to show you chair pose, alignment, common misalignments, and modifications. Chair pose. All right, chair. Let's jump in.
All right.
Chris is rooted in his feet with weight balanced evenly in all four corners of his feet. His toes are facing straight ahead. From there, he's hinging at his hips, dropping his weight down and back towards his heels. The lower Chris sits, the more he's going to lift his chest up and lengthen his torso, his arms, and his fingertips. In his upper body, Chris is lifting the crown of his head up to the sky and having his eyes forward. Chris's fingers are spread and he's happy to be alive. Now let's look at some common misalignments of chair pose. One misalignment that I see is students, when they sit low in their hips, they start to collapse their chest forward. There's a balancing here of the lower you sit, the more you'll lift your chest up, bring your eyes forward, your head up. That's chair pose. Good work, Chris.
Thank you.
If you enjoyed this video, well, I've got good news for you. We've got a whole lot more tutorials here at Khali Yoga Center. Take a look. We can't wait to see you.
See ya.